Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery not charging to 100% on Samsung Galaxy. It happens, especially on Samsung devices, that the battery doesn't want to go above 80 or 95% and simply cannot reach 100%. There's a chance that you have a battery limit set in settings without knowing it. To change it, go to Settings, then Battery. Scroll down until you find Battery Protection. This feature might be turned on with the maximum option selected. For example, if it's set to 80%, your device won't charge above that. The options are 95, 90, 85, or 80%. You can completely turn off battery protection if you want. Personally, I prefer the basic battery protection mode. With basic mode, charging stops at 100% and resumes when the battery drops to 95%. It's useful because keeping a battery at full charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choosing basic protection helps your battery last longer. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.